In today's session, we will discuss about SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. To represent our data in form of tables, we can use SQL. There are different commands used to store data and to retrieve data from the SQL database. And we will discuss some of the commands like DDL command, data definition language. Means to create a table. To create a table, we can use data definition language. Like if we want to create table, view, index, something like that, we can use create. Alter, all refers to the same. If we want to create something, if we want to update something like that, we can use DML command, data manipulation language. Means if I want to insert, if I want to update, if I want to change something, manipulation means operation, means something if we want to change. Now we will discuss about create command. We'll focus more on interview type SQL commands. Okay. Okay, I will drop first table and I will. Okay, we'll start from scratch. First of all, if we want to create a table, we can use command like create table followed by table name. Table name, let's assume like employee, and fields means columns, like employee has columns like uh, em- employee number. Employee number is of number type, and employee name is of, if it's a single letter, we can use directly char. If it's a string type, we can use var char. Two of let's assume employee name as max 15 characters, and employee salary is of number type, and after the employee salary, had it. Had it means when employee has joined. Had it means date type, and after that, employee job role. Employee job. Employee job is var character type, and var char 2. Again, it can be 10 employee job. Okay. Table has created successfully. Okay. Table consists of these fields. Okay. If I want to know what are the columns in the table, we can use describe table, describe employee table. It describes the schema or header, all the columns, fields of a table. Okay, if I want to insert values now, if I want to insert all the values like employee number, employee name, employee salary, hire date, everything, I can use this command insert into table name here. Table name is employee values. What are the values I should insert? Employee number. Employee number is 1. Let's assume employee name is uh, let's assume Varun. Employee salary, let's assume its salary is 1000. And head date, we can use to date of year. Suppose year Jan 2018, and month is third month, something like that, and something 1. And format is year followed by month followed by date. Okay, high date is done. After the employee job. Employee job is, suppose he is a developer. LOPR. Okay, done. Okay, insert into table name is employee. Values are, if I want to insert all the values, then I can directly use values of one employee number, name is Varun, and his salary is 1000. He has joined in 2018. See, if I want to specify in this format, I can use to date of. I can exchange this also, month decide, month decide, date decide, and I can exchange this also. Okay, now, and employee job is developer role. Okay, I can end with semicolon. Then I click on enter. Row created successfully. Table is created with one row. This is the one way to insert values into a table. Okay, if I want to insert only two fields, employee number and employee salary. So I can use employee insert into employee. If I want to insert employee number, employee number and employee salary, and I can mention values. Employee number, let's assume 2, and employee salary, we don't know his name, but his salary is like 5000. Okay, it's a number type. row created successfully. And one more way to insert values into a table, like insert into employee. Let's assume employee name, number, and employee salary. These two fields are required. Okay, if I want to insert only these two fields, and values can be employee number and followed by employee salary. Means it will take dynamically from the user. User can enter dynamically input. Like if I enter employee number, let's assume like 3. Employee salary is like 7,000. Then one row created successfully. See, now my table has 3 rows. 1 Varun, 2 record with 5,000, record 3 with 7,000. To retrieve data, I can use TR, data retrieval language command, in select command. See, select to retrieve data from the table. For that, I can use select star from employee. Means it will select everything from the employee. See, first one is Varun record. Second one is um, record with 5,000. Third one is 7,000. These are the ways to insert a values into a table. Suppose if I want to insert multiple records, means multiple tuples or multiple rows into the table, is there any possibility with the insert command? We'll check this. There is a command like insert all to insert multiple rows into a table. Okay, we'll check insert all into all. Here table name. Table name is employee. Okay. If I want to insert only specific values, employee number and employee name and employee salary. To save time, if I want to insert only these three fields, and values can be employee number 3 is done. Now we'll try to insert for record 4 and employee name, let's say Karthik, and employee salary, let's assume like 9,000. Okay, okay, done. Now if I want to insert one more record, employee and employee number, let's assume like employee name only. I don't want employee salary, and values, like let's assume 5, and employee name as Shiva. Let's assume you don't have any salary. Okay, done. At the end, I can, if I want to retrieve the values whatever I have inserted, because I can insert multiple rows also. Let's do example with these 2 rows. Can select star from here means system defined table. Okay, when I click on enter, sorry, this one is employee spelling mistake. Insert all, and after that, okay, we will do from scratch again. Insert all into employee, employee number, employee name, followed by employee salary, and values can be, let's assume 4. His name is Karthik. Karthik or something like 9,000. Then after that, into employee. Let's assume employee number and employee name. I have taken like values can be like free, and name can be like Shiva. Okay, we'll check this one again. Try into employee name. Okay, done. At the end, if I want to select something like whatever I have entered, I want to retrieve them. Let's start from Dual means will retrieve whatever I have entered. If there are multiple rows, it will retrieve all those records. Then click on enter. See, two rows are created with one insert command. Okay. See, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is created. Now we will retrieve them. Select start from employee. Okay. We can check this 4 and 5 also inserted. Suppose if I want to create table, one more table by using insert command, a new table with only two fields or three fields. That can be done without defining everything. From this table only, I want to create one more table. It contains only two fields like employee name and salary. These two fields, I want to create one more table like E1. Create. Further, we can use create table E1. Let's assume E1 as select employee number, employee name. From which table? Employee table. See how it works means it will retrieve employee number and employee name from employee table, and with that even table is created with these two fields, employee number and employee name. Okay, when I click on enter, okay, table created successfully. Now select start from E1. See, with these two fields, a new table is created like E1. Okay, we can select everything. If we want to make duplicate table like E2, we can use select star from EMP also. Now insert is done. We will go with update. Update means to modify existing data within a table. We can use update command. Means if I want to update something like if employee, suppose if employee has commission, if I want to update a specific employee whose salary is greater than 1,000, I want to update his commission to 100. Like that I can do. Okay. Let's select table. Select star from employee. Okay, this employee table. Okay, let's assume we will set commission to 100 for everyone. Update table employee, and we will try to set commission. COMM we can take. Commission is equal to 100 or 200. Let's assume 200. Okay, it is set to all the employees. Okay, commission is not there. That field is not there. First of all, column. For that, we can use alter command to add a column. Okay. Alter. I want to discuss first about update. Okay, I will discuss alter later. But for this, to add column, I will comment alter table employee add commission that can be of number type. Okay, table alter. I'll discuss alter later. But to add commission, I have to update the table. I have used the command. Let's start from employee. Okay. Okay, commission field is there now. Now, if I want to update a commission with 100 initially, then after I want to change their commission update whose salary is greater than 5,000 like that. Okay, first of all, I will set all commission to 100. Update in which table? Employee table. Employee set commission is equal to let's assume commission be 200. Okay, done. 5 rows updated. See, for these 5 rows, commission is now 200. Select star from employee. See, everyone has commission 200. Now I want to update their commission whose salary is greater than or equal to 7,000. Okay, I want to update this salary to 100 only because they are getting more salary. So I want to cut 100 as commission. Select, sorry, update employee, and then after set commission is equal to okay, I will reduce commission minus. I can use like this also. Commission minus. I want to reduce 100. Commission minus 100 or commission is equal to 100 directly. Or commission is equal to 100 directly. Don't use this for telling purpose I'm using. Either way, both of them will work. Anyone you can use. Okay, commission is equal to commission minus 100. Okay, where salary is greater than or equal to 7,000. Sorry, that one is update employee said commission is equal to commission minus 100, where employee sal I have written SL is greater than or equal to 7,000. 2 rows updated means these 2 rows will be updated with salary of 100 only. Check that one. Select star from employee. See, the salary commission is updated to 100 only now. Okay. Now I want to increase commission to everyone to 500. For that, update employee, and I want to set commission to 500 now for everyone. Set commission to 500. It will update all 5 records. See, everything is updated now. Everyone is getting commission as 500. Okay. Okay. Now update is done. Next is delete. Okay. How to delete a table? We can use trunket also to delete to remove a table. If we use truncate command, the schema will be kept. But if we use delete command, the rollback is not possible in truncate, but rollback is possible in delete command. So that is the difference. We can use difference between truncate and delete command. And if there is a particular condition, if I want to delete only those records whose salary is 7,000, I can use delete command. Truncate, it is not possible to use condition. Okay. Suppose let us we have E1 table also. Select star from E1. Okay, these are the fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I want to delete this record, Shiva record, I can use delete command. I can't able to use truncate command to delete only one record. Delete from. Syntax is delete from. Table name is E1. Sorry, E1. Delete from E1 or employee like that. Delete from table name. Syntax is delete from table name, where employee number equal to 5. Okay, 1 row deleted means Shiva is gone now. Now select star from E1. No, see, Shiva is gone now. Truncate, you can't do that. I have discussed about truncate data. Now we will focus on delete. If I want to delete everything, I can delete by using delete command. I can delete entire table also. Delete from E1. It will delete entire table. If I haven't specified any condition, see deleted for us, deleted now. Okay, I have done rollback. Now I have deleted this everything. Now I have done rollback. Now let's check with delete command. Select start from E1. See, everything came back when I have done rollback. With delete, I can do that. Now let's try with truncate. Truncate table. Table name is E1. See, truncate is done. Yes, I have deleted complete E1. Select star from E1. Sorry. No rows selected. Means only header remains with truncate. Now I'll try to do rollback. See, rollback haven't done here with truncate. When I have done rollback, no row selected. Everything is gone with rollback. That is the difference between truncate and delete command. And we can't use any condition also. Suppose let's take truncate table employee where actually it is no proper syntax. We can't use it there. Where employee number is equal to 1. It will give us error. We can't use any condition like where like that. Missing storage keyword. See. Okay, now we will discuss. We will come to okay, this 3 hour now over now. We'll come to alter command. Modify the existing database object. Existing database object such as table. To alter means to add a column. Suppose if I want to update commission column, I have added commission column. To add that column, to change the existing data type of an object. If salary is 4 digits, I want to update to 5 digits salary. I can use alter command. To add column, I can use alter command. To add constants like primary key, for that I can use alter command. Okay. To rename the column, existing column also, I can use alter command. Now we will discuss all the commands. Okay, we will state out data. Here is our table. Function is null, no? Because we have done rollback previously. First, we will try to update salary to something. Update employee. Set commission to purpose 1000. Okay. Okay. Now commission is like 1000. Can I do order command? Use order command. If I want to add column like select star from employee, order commission is there. Okay. Now if I want to add something like location, okay, I can use alter table and followed by table name. Table name is employee. And I want to add column. I can add multiple columns also. Add location. Location is of character type. Varchar 2. Maximum 13, let's assume. And if I want to add one more column like uh, employee name and what can we add? Last name also where surname, surname also where care two of suppose less name take 10. Okay. Now two columns are added. Table order means I have added two columns to this employee. Now two columns will be visible. See, employee. Okay, this is okay. Just something command like fill this. Okay, now okay, now see two columns are added, location and surname. To add new columns, you can use alter command. First one is done with alter, and second one. If we want to add constraints, like if I want to make this one as employee number as primary key, I can use alter command. Table employee, and if I want to add primary key, actually it's not case sensitive. I can use primary, smaller uppercase primary key for employee number. Now it would I forgot to mention add primary key of employee number should be a primary key. See table alter means now this column is primary key. Primary key means not null and no duplicates. I can't make this one as null value from now, and I can't add like duplicate. Like I employee number can't be same for two records. Okay. See syntax is alter table name add after add I can mention constraint and which one should be primary key employee number. Okay. If I want to drop two fields like suppose see we have this table. Okay, let's assume we will try to update location. Update employee set location is equal to Hyderabad something like that, and done. File was updated. Start from employee. See, everyone location is Hyderabad. Now, if I want to delete this field called location now, if I want to delete location now, for that I can do like alter table name employee, and I can drop multiple columns. Like I will now I will try to drop these two columns, commission and location. Means I don't want location and commission. I don't want to do commission also. Employee drop. I want to drop both fields like commission, see commission and location. Okay, done. Table alter. Now these two columns are gone now. These two are not visible in the table. Select star from employee. See, commission and location are gone. Only surname is visible. Okay. See now employee number is primary key. Now I can't add duplicate. Like suppose if I want to add cert into employee number, I will take employee number also, and values is equal to let's assume five. I want to add one more time. It will show me error. See error. Unique constraint. Primary key rule violated. So now I want to drop this constraint also. I want to remove this primary key constraint also. For that, I can use alter table I can add as well as I can delete also. That machine. Alter table employee drop constraint. Constraint means condition. It's not null and unique. Primary ID. Primary ID. Primary key, sorry. Drop constraint primary key. I will try with this. I haven't tried previously. It is not okay. I will check this one. I'll check this later. How to drop constraint. Okay, suppose if we want to drop, we want to change the data type, like we'll check what are the fields present. Okay, describe employee. See, employee name is maximum 15 letters. We can't give more than that. Employee job is only 10 letters. I can't give more than that. See, employee job is suppose big now data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Those are came. Though, so it would be more than 10 characters. So if I want to change this data type, for that also I can use alter command. Alter table and table name is employee. Employee and I want to modify that one. So modify, please modify. Which one? Employee job. I can change multiple fields also. Surname also I want to change to 15 and this one also I want to, this one I want to change to 30. This one I want to change to 15. So modify employee job. Employee job I want to modify to varchar 2 only, but size I want to increase to 15. And surname. Surname I want to varchar 2 of 30. Okay, I have done reverse, no problem. Okay, now table alter. These two fields would be changed now. If there is something data in table, like if it is a, okay, I will tell that one later. Select star from employee. See, surname is I want to describe employee. See, this one change it to 50, this one change it to 30. Now, if I want to change something like that, I want to change this to number type. That also I can do because see, employee job is developer, so I can't do. Surname I can't. I can change it to number type because there is no values in that. If there is something data, I can't change. If it is string type, I can't convert it to integer type. So I can't modify it to number type. I can modify this surname to integer type also. For that, alter table employee modify. Is modify surname to number type. It is also possible. See table alter. It is now integer type. Surname is now. This describe employee table. See, a surname change it to employee. That also I can do. If there are something data, I can't do that. Okay. I will select start from employee. Now I want to drop the surname column. Alter table. Table name is employee. I want to drop only surname. Done. See, I have only these values. Okay. Drop table. I want to drop complete table. I want to create new table. Okay. Table has dropped now. Now we will discuss about like not like. Okay. I will create some random table like student table. Create table student, student icon, table student, and that will be of student ID number, that can be of number type, and name is student name. Varchar, varchar of maximum 15 letters. Student location, location also varchar 2 of 15 will be 16 no problem maximum. Okay. What is the student ID? Location, course. Course also where cap to up 10 maximum we will take. Okay, we'll end with this. It debugged successfully. Now I want to insert multiple values in table. Into insert multiple values. So I insert up first std values. ID means like one. Student name is Vasu. Let's assume. Location is Hyderabad. Course is AML. Okay, done with this. Okay, okay, I have done the mistake. I forgot to mention into, so it will give error. No problem. Describe STD. Think that is a table. No? Now I want to insert multiple records into a table with single insert command. Insert uh, to insert multiple uh, columns or fields into. I forgot to mention into previous to into student, and I want to insert all the values. So values. First one name Sidhu, and after name location. Location is Karimnagar. After that, course is CSC. Let's assume, and into I want to insert my one more record. Here I want to insert only ID and name, followed by name. Values, ID is true, and name is Venu. Let's assume I want to insert one more record. STD, ID, name. This time I want to insert location also. Still error. Yes, name I mentioned name, so it will give us error. No problem. Okay. Okay. I mentioned name instead of his name, so you can so insert R into std. And first thing is ID, comma. I want to insert everything. So values one. First name is like Sidhu. Location is of Hyderabad. Let's assume now is done into std, and I want to insert ID number followed by student name. Values, ID number is, let's assume 2, and name is Rakesh. Okay, done. I will write something statement, right? Select start from your. Oh, it's giving me error. Okay, 1 minute. This one Sidhu Hyderabad. Okay, it is asking for arguments also. Student name and followed by student location. See, I forgot to mention course, so that's the reason it is asking. So I can leave this one also, no problem. But after Hyderabad, I should enter course also, like AML. Now it's fine because I should pass all the four arguments. Okay, second one is Rakesh. Then select star from viewer. The two rows created. Student. See, two rows created. Only we entered two values. Okay. Now I will create something like insert input id, id number and student name values 1 3 Sidhu Siddharth. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to mention the string type. So okay, now let's take samples like a table is created with these fields and these records. See, I want to select a student's name whose name starts with S. Select the student name from student table where student name starts with S, like S percentile start with S, and it can be anything of any length. Okay, we'll select all the students whose name starts with S, Siddharth and Shiva. We'll select those two students. Okay, Siddhu, Siddharth, Shiva, three names. Now I want to select the name of a student whose name start with R and it should be only four letters. From student where student name, like it should be start with R and should be only four letters. It will select Raju. 1 minute, 2, 3. I have given to think where S name, like it should be only four digits, four letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raju and Venu. These two fields whose length should be 4. Now I want to select name of students whose letter should end with U. You are H, let us assume, where his name, like, it can be anything, but should be end with S. Doesn't, not as H. It should end with H. Yeah, Rakesh, Siddharth, Rajesh. End with H. Now, now I want to select a student whose name start with S and end with A. Name like start with S and will it can be anything. Should end with A. Shiva. Done. Now, okay. Okay. Let's create table employee, employee number and employee self, employee name, number, member type, employee name. Employee name is a character type. You can skip this part. Employee name like 15. After that, employee self, member type. Employee department, who of in a table I created. I have created table insert input entry. I take in multiplies. By number one and name is Sidhu. Let's assume Raju, and employee salary is like 1,000, and employee department is development DV. Okay, one row created. Meghansh, let's assume his salary is 9,000. He is in testing road. No, he Subbu, Muslim, that is 5,000. Is the development road. DevOps role. DevOps role only. Okay, this name, ID 9. Okay, this is a table and they have their salaries. Okay, now we will discuss about aggregate functions. Aggregate functions are there are different types of aggregate functions. Mainly, we will focus on five aggregate functions. Aggregate means grouping. Means to group something, we use aggregate functions like sum, min, to find minimum among all the columns. Sorry, in single column, if I want to find minimum salary of all the rows, I can use min, max, and I can use count to count how many records are there. Count or count star. Count star will include null values also, but count won't include null. Then after means it will count records, record wise. In count, we can specify column name, and we can use average. We can use length. Okay. Now we'll focus on this. If I want to find the maximum salary of all the employees, select max of employee sal from EMP. See, maximum salary is 9,000. If I want this name, we can't use column name with aggregate function. It will give us error. Say like that employee name, and employee name with maximum salary, it will give me error. I can't use column name with aggregate functions, but I can use multiple aggregate functions simultaneously. I want to know maximum and minimum salary. Minimum salary. I'm doing aliasing. Next salary. It is not working. No problem. Leave it. There. Okay. Oh, is salary. That's the mistake. Okay. Minimum salary is 1,000. Maximum salary is 9,000. Okay. Minimum salary 1,000. Maximum salary is 9,000. If I want to display his name as well as his salary also, how can I do? Okay, we will do in Notepad. After that, we will do in. If there is a suppose table, and if I want to get maximum salary, select max of. I want to display a person who is having maximum salary. Max of sal is sal employee sal from EMP table, and I want to display his name. Select employee name from employee EMP. I can specify here. This will give me maximum salary. This will give me maximum salary, and I want to retrieve the employee where employee salary equal to that maximum salary. This command helps to retrieve an employee with maximum salary, and I can also display like is employee salary also here. Okay, this will give me maximum salary of an employee who is having maximum salary. That employee salary is got here. That is captured by ESAL, and I will display the name and ESAL who is having this salary. This will give me maximum salary, and his salary, that salary is equal to maximum salary. Okay. Now select ename. I think ename ESAL from EMP where ESAL equal to select max of ESAL, sorry, from EMP. EMP done. Okay, it will give me employee and salary. See, Megan with 9,000 salary. He's having maximum salary. I got two things. Okay, let's assume start input EMP, that employee number, employee salary, values 8 5,000. Okay. Now I want to tell you count star and count. Difference between count star and count. Select count of. Means count means ename. How many rows are there? See, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is null. We will check what it gives from EMP. It is giving us only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7. Not counting null one. Now let's check with count star. It gives us 7. See, it is count star counting entire record. Means it is counting this null also. Count of counting only employee name field, this column. Okay, that's the difference between count and count star. And if I want to know a average salary, that is given. Select AVG, average of employee salary from okay, average salary is 5428 something. Okay, now our goal is to find the second highest salary. This one is to find employee name and employee salary with highest salary. Second highest salary. How to find an employee with the second highest salary? Employee name, second highest salary. I don't want employee name. First, we will discuss how to find employee salary only. Second highest salary. I want to get second highest salary. Second highest salary here is 7,000. I want to get 7,000. We do first in notepad. See, select max of salary from EMP gives us first as salary, and I want to select the salary. Select sal from EMP where sal not in the salary means it will give me highest salary, and salary should not be this one. Champion. Okay, these are my salaries. Suppose 1,000, 9,000, 7,000, 6,000 something like you can assume 5,000. Okay, here my query is select max of salary from employee. This query selects maximum salary means it will select this one. Second query select salary from employee where salary not in means salary not equal to this maximum salary means it will select all the salaries except this. We'll select 1000, 7000, 6000, and 5000. And I can use max here. Then I can get maximum salary. From this, what is maximum? 70. This is given as output. This is enough to retrieve second maximum salary. We will do select next of employee salary from EMP where sub not in select max of employee salary from EMP. Okay, it should give us 7000 second as salary. Now, if I want name also, then I can use one more query here only. If I want name also, name and salary also, I can use select ename and ename, comma employee salary from from EMP where we shall equal to. I will use completely this one. I will get employee name and employee salary, secondary salary. This is the query used to display to find employee name, employee salary, secondary salary. Okay. This also you can do. Okay, I will do this one. Employee name, I think key name from EMP. For typing. Equal to select max of this is the query to find secondary salary. So employee salary from EMP where is that margin select the max of is there cell from EMP. Okay, second query. The Bima 7000. These are the key is the person who is getting secondary salary. This is the same query which I have typed in Notepad. Okay. Okay, in the next session, we will discuss group by class and having class, and as well as we will discuss about giants, how to retrieve data from multiple tables. And as well as we will discuss how to retrieve third as salary, fifth as salary, sixth as salary. That we will discuss. And we will discuss giants and as well as subqueries and correlated subqueries we will discuss, and finally we will discuss about normalization technique like 1NF, 2 normal form, 3NF, 3.5NF or BCNF, and advanced normal forms like 4NF and 5NF. Okay, thank you.